Hello everyone, this is the Cardmaker Beta tutorial part 6, formatted text. Now, formatted text is unlike the normal text field in that you can attribute tags to it, which is a little different than what we've been using so far. So, as you can see here, I've opened up my starter pack in my tutorial, my starter project, and in it, it already has a bunch of elements set up, and it already has a spreadsheet attached to it. We're not going to be looking at those right now. We're going to be looking just at formatted text. So what formatted text does, as opposed to regular text, is that it allows you to use this thing called a tag. Now, a tag is a less than sign, a greater than sign, and then something in the middle. So for example, if I said before and after, and then I put the tag BR in between, now there's a line break between the two words. You can look in the manual to find a list of all the tags and how they're used, but generally it's going to be break or bold, or you can change the font color is equal to red. You can also offset it so that it is some number of pixels away on the right, or you can do it from the top, which is the y-axis. And additionally, the greatest feature that I believe that tags have is that you can implant images within your text using the image tag. So to use the image tag, you're going to write img equals, and then the name of the file, of the image file you want to use. So in this case, it's going to be damage.png. Now this is good most of the time, but sometimes you need to resize that image so it's more appropriate within your text. In which case, you're going to use a semicolon followed by a number. Now, if you use the number 1, that size of the image is going to match the size of your font. Whereas if you increase it to 1.5, it is now 1.5 times the size of your font, or 0.5, now it's half the size of your font. If you put nothing there, it's just going to display the image based on the pixel size of the image itself. So once you have this image and you make it 1 times the size of the font, you could say, deal this, and then you can just copy it a couple times, to a creature on the battlefield. So you can use the image tag to implant these images into your text and have it be consistent with the remaining text. You can even put line breaks and it'll treat it as if it was text. And this is very, very useful for adding iconography to your cards and making your cards easier to understand for your other players. There are quite a few formatted image elements that you can use, and I don't recommend, know that they exist, and as you find a use case for them, go check the manual to see which one, or if there is one that would be able to fit your needs. Thank you.